I just got a giant order from Ipsy, and I've never got one of their grab bag after sales before, so I ordered 4, and this is the last one, the big one that I've saved. This is the $100 one that is supposed to have 20 full-size products. And I have no idea what's in there. I have not peeked, but here's the bag. Here's how it came. So we're gonna see, and then that's it. The box is empty. So first we get to open up. We don't try to pick at the knots, we just cut right through it. Because that's how we roll. And like I said, 20 full-size items. First, we have Complex Culture Dry Relift Nourishing Oat Milk Hair Mask. I do like hair masks. Product number 2, Ren Clean Skincare Daily Glow Vitamin C Gel Cream. I have one of their eye things. It's like this, but way smaller. And I do like it. You know, would I buy it again? Item 2. Item 3 is Mud Masky Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask. I do like face masks. Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. A little spatula. Ooh, it's a fancy spatula. And how to do it, and then I didn't know emus had apples. It's kind of neat, but I'll put it back in the box. And nice packaging. It feels, it's that satiny. We got Rainforest Mist Flawless Finish Hairspray. I do not own hairspray currently because I don't hairspray. Rose Ink Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lip Color. Is it a twist? Or is it a pop? It's a pop. Oh, it's kind of white casted. Was that worth $5? 20 full-size items for $100, so that should be $5 an item. Coconut and Shea Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner, and it detangles and it leaves your hair softer, from Mark Anthony. Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Oh good, I do like scalp scrubs. It is a fancy bag. It's like pleathery, and it's got little attachment jingles and a little Ipsy heart. And inside the bag is a strap. So I get an Ipsy purse as one of my items. Okay. Just what I've always wanted, an Ipsy purse. A pleather Ipsy purse. Yeah, I think the dog's gonna have a new retrieve toy with that one. A lollipop. It's not really a lollipop. Kind of afraid to see what it actually is. Lash pop. So I've never used fake lashes because they look like spiders, so that's probably gonna be in the Christmas gift box. Because it's kind of scary thinking to do that. Basic Beauty tweezers. We always need new tweezers around here. They're pink. We'll see. Color Boss Multidimensional Eye Color. I mean, for $5, no, that wasn't worth it at all. Eyes on the Prize Color Boss. Oh, this is that Il Maquillage. Scissors. I see where it's taped right here. Cut it open, and then it should swing open. That's a nice package. It's metal-y. And then that's a pretty color. Yeah, we'll keep that one. Sweet Chef Carrot Ginger Blemish Rescue Patches, a variety pack of 36 patches. Okay. I didn't even know this was a thing until a friend was down and they used it. And I was like, what are those? So I ordered some from Temu. And then I tried to use it and it wouldn't stick on. So maybe there's a reason people don't order stuff like that from Temu. These Flower Pressed Powder Palette from, I think this is from, yeah, ColourPop. ColourPop stuff has made my eyes break out before. So I don't know about keeping this one. Oh my gosh, but they're all purples. Yeah, we'll keep all purples. Because that's really cute and I like purples and I like flower. Tear it open. Jiju Volcanic Ash facial mask. Ooh, that's a nice package. I like the little fuzz on it. This is Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow. It's covered. I haven't uncovered it. These colors. Yeah, I like those. I don't think I have a whole bunch of silvers. They look like cooler tones, so yeah, I'll keep that one too. I'll probably take all of these out of their containers and depot them because that is super fun to do. Okay, Violet Voss, 6-shade pack. Ooh, no, no, those are not my colors at all. The coral, no. The pretty peach, probably not. The silk and the shampoo, you can't even see it. The silk, I'd use those ones. I might use one of those, but probably not. Fancy with a tassel, and then the black leather, and inside is pink. That's a cute bag. This is Lip Lift Max, Glossy Lip Maximizer from Pixie. I don't think I have anything from Pixie. So that's pretty. That'll go. I like that one. I didn't pick this. It picked me. It wanted to come to my house. Ooh. That's red. Really red. Let's see how to look. Is that worth 100? No, probably not. Maybe. How many items was that? I don't know. I didn't keep count.